Yes, hello everyone, Sid here, back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn about model. So what is the model? So models we will use after some time explaining a basic syntax how we can fetch from model to controller directly, and so this is using something normal information so you can get from your details. So I'm here right now with a controller with name of the home. So I'm going to create one model with the name of home underscore model dot php. Okay, so you can also use same syntax we have already written here. So I have written same syntax. So here I'm going to use class and class name. So I'm going to use class name is home underscore model and extended to ci underscore model. So by default using ci underscore model, and here suppose I am going to create one function name of, one second, here I'm going to create the function public function. Suppose we have header information I need. So if I want pass from title and descriptions from header, so we can also use header. So suppose I have data is equal to with a form of the array. Okay, sorry, with the form of array. So I'm going to use array here. So here we have title. So I'm going to use top 10 universe. I'm going to here top 10 movie. Okay, title, and I'm going to use description which is the top 10 movie. I'm going to here 300. I don't have exactly information, just typing here, and so you can pass from 100 whatever you have movie names and craze. I'm just example. So okay, I have given two title and descriptions. Whatever you data you can pass from here. I'm going to return what is written. I'm going to return data. Okay, so we have here header with name of functions. So how we can fetch data from models? So I'm going to create, we need to load within a controller. So $this we need to write load kind of view. Here we need to load model, so model name, and here we need to write model name. So home underscore model with the name of model, and here I am going to use this within a bracket, and here okay, you can check, and model name. What is model name? Home underscore model, and we have written some functions name. We need to write here functions name. Okay, so we have written here function with the name header. Now here semicolon, I'm going to use store within a data variable here. A second, now I'm going to print underscore or dollar data. Now hit on. So you can check here title and description we get, and this is view is loading. So I'm going to pass data to controller to view. So I'm going to use here result. I'm going to pass from here data. Hope so this is clear for you. And here we have view is index. Okay, I'm going to print here php for each loop data sorry, we need to write here result. We have data. I'm using here syntax this one. So this is clear for you. I'm going to print here print underscore or dollar data result as data. I'm going to print here. You can check here top 10 movie and create something. So this is our titles.